Today I'm going to show you how to remove the center console of this vehicle. Removing the center console of this vehicle is not easy. You have to remove a lot of parts to get the job done. First, start the engine and put the gear on drive. Then, remove the gear lever knob button. Putting it on drive gives more space to work with. Use a small flathead screwdriver and simply push a plastic tab and pull the knob. Pry or pull the small snap ring. This keeps the shift knob in place. Put the gear lever back on park and pull the shift knob. This is the plastic tab that I was referring to earlier, which acts as a lock. Next, unbutton and open the zipper of the handbrake boot. Lift the armrest and pull the middle part of the center console. This can be hard, but don't be scared to pull it up. Underneath, remove the electrical socket of the infotainment control knob. Here's a view of the middle part of the center console. Remove the electrical plug of the gear indicator. Then lift the gear lever assembly. It will just pop out. Carefully lift and take it away. Next, remove the two plastic clips on both sides of the center console. Use a small flathead screwdriver to pop it out. Take this small rectangular piece of cloth, and there you will see two Phillips head screws. Remove those. Pull those electrical sockets. These are for the cigarette lighter and USB charging port. Then you can separate the center console into two pieces. Unclip and remove the rear end of the center console. Flathead screwdriver will do the trick to detach a harness clip. Remove this one too. After that, you can now take the rear end away. Time to move into the front end. Open the glove box. Then use your fingers to gently pull this dashboard trim. Pull the electrical socket of the hazard button. Now take the whole trim piece away. Here is how it looks like at the back. These are the mounting points on where the trim is attached. Underneath the dash, remove this kick panel just by popping it out and pulling it. Same thing on the passenger side. Next thing to remove is the door sill. Just pull it from side to side, lift it from the edge of the door sill. Pull the rubber molding. Unscrew the plastic nut. And remove the kick panel just by pulling it. This green plastic piece keeps it in place. Use a 10mm socket or wrench to remove the bolt. Then just pull and pop out the steering column dash panel. Switch to the other side and pull and pop out the passenger side of the center console. And same thing on the driver's side. For the steering column dash panel, you don't have to remove it all the way. Once it pops out, it will give you space and make it easier to pull the center console. Turn on the engine and put the gear on drive or neutral. Then you can now take the center console away. This is the front end center console. Now, if you have difficulties in removing or installing the center console, you can remove the handbrake assembly just by loosening those two 12mm bolts. Then you can move this and have more space. This is just a preview on what has been left. So there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless.